Good morning to my dear students of the Kids Batch of Spoken English Center. Today, I'm just going to speak out another particular kinds of story. The name of the story is a thirsty crow. So you listen it very carefully, and if you do have any kinds of problem, you contact to my WhatsApp number, mobile number, that is 97321318004, and your queries and all your questions will be answered on the WhatsApp status. The time will be mentioned. Now come to the story. Once upon a time there was a crow. It was very thirsty. It was searching for the water here and there, but it could not able to manage any kind of water because the time was summer seasons and all the water sources places were completely dried. It searched to the water here and there, but every water sources places were completely dried. So it was very difficult for the crow to manage even a single drop of water. But the crow was not a creature to be retreat. It flew here and there. But when the crow become very fed up and trying, so it sat on the dry branch of a tree, and after being exhausted, suddenly focused. It could able to see a kind of feature on the ground, and when it saw a feature on the ground, a ray of hope rose in a ray of hope rose in its mind, thinking that it could able to manage some water in the midst of the feature. So when ultimately it flew and set on the mouth of the feature, it saw a little water, but it was very bottom of the container. So the crow was become again hopeless. But immediately the crow hit upon a plan or played a trick. He saw some people circling around the pitcher, and it dropped the people one after another into the pitcher. And as a consequence, what happened? The water level grew up, and the crow saw the water level on the surface level. Water grew on the surface level of the container. So the crow easily drank the water and it quenched its thirst. And then the crow flew flew in the sky. So the moral of the story is whether there is a knowledge, whether knowledge is power. The moral of the story is the knowledge is power. And another options you can also think for that, whether there is a will, there is a way. Thanks to all of my dear students. You just prepare it and write down on your exercise book. So if you can't able to understand, so listen it very repeatedly. I think that you could get the points, and after that all your queries and all your questions would be answered on the WhatsApp status that we mentioned, which at the particular time I will get on. That's all. Thanks.